Testpress Guide for Staff Teacher Account Creation. First, click on Memberships. Click on Members Management. Then click on Add Member. After that, click on Create User. Fill in the following details: username, password, name, and optional email address and mobile number. Afterwards, click on Status drop-down to select Staff. Next up, click on Permissions to select the required permission access. Once that's done, click on the roles to create a role for the staff. Click on Create. Enter the name for the role. Once that's done, click on Submit. Click on Manage Role Permissions. Click on Toggle Permission. Click on Toggle Permission for the required permission. Click on the roles to select the predefined role. Click on Content Editor. Next, click on Allow Access to All Records. Disable the MFA if MFA is not required. Click on Submit. Click on Courses. Click on Add Staffs. After, click on Assign Staffs. Click on the Search for Staffs. Select on Content Editor. Click on Permissions Can Edit Staff will be able to create, edit content. Now click on Save. Click on the Profile setting. Click on Sign Out. After, click on Login. Click on Use Staff Username and Password to log into Staff account. Staff will have restricted access to courses based on the permissions assigned to them. Enjoyed the guided demo? Learn more about our features and benefits on our website, testpress.tech.